Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the test. If you have an SV and you're thinking about getting the quick shifter, maybe this video might give you a better idea of what you're getting yourself into. Interestingly, it's the same quick shifter that I have on my Suzuki GSX-R. Let me show you. There. I have never made a video about it because back when I got this quick shifter, it wasn't officially launched yet. But if you've watched a couple of my previous videos, they just made a soft launch, and I think right now it's already in the market. And if you're interested in getting one for your bike, you can reach out to TuneBoss through their Instagram page and also their Facebook page. I'm sure they'll be happy to help. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.